Cold calling can be a great way to recruit new employees. By reaching out to potential candidates directly, you can introduce them to your company and your open positions. This can be a more efficient and effective way to recruit new employees than relying on job boards or other traditional methods. Here are some tips on how to use cold calling to recruit new employees. Target the right candidates. Not everyone is interested in working for your company. Target your cold calls to people who are likely to be a good fit for your open positions. You can do this by using LinkedIn, industry publications, and other resources to identify potential candidates. Personalize your pitch. When you call a candidate, personalize your pitch by mentioning something specific about their background or experience. This will show that you are genuinely interested in them and that you are not just using them as a name on a list. Be clear and concise. State the purpose of your call up front and be clear about the position you are recruiting for. Be concise and to the point, and avoid using jargon that the candidate may not understand. Be respectful of the candidate's time. Don't waste the candidate's time by talking for too long or by asking irrelevant questions. Be respectful of their schedule and keep the call brief. Follow up promptly. If you are interested in a candidate, be sure to follow up with them promptly. This will show that you are serious about recruiting them and that you are not just wasting their time. Here's an example of a cold calling script that you can use to recruit new employees. Introduction. Hi, John. My name is Alex from ABC. I'm calling because I noticed that you have experience in that exact industry, and I'm recruiting for the needed position at my company. Pitch. We're a growing company that specializes in, and we add the industry, and we're looking for talented individuals to join our team. The position role is responsible for, and we list the responsibilities. I'm interested in learning more about your experience and how it might be a good fit for this role. Question. Would you be interested in learning more about the sales director position and our company? Call to action. If so, I'd be happy to schedule a call to discuss your qualifications and answer any questions you have. If the candidate is interested, schedule a call or send them more information. If the candidate is not interested, thank them for their time and ask if there is anything else you can do to help them. Here are some additional tips for recruiting new employees through cold calling. Use a CRM system to track your calls and candidates. This will help you stay organized and manage your pipeline effectively. Be prepared to answer questions about your company and the open position. Candidates will want to know more about your company culture, your benefits package, and the opportunities for growth and development. Be honest and transparent. Don't oversell the position or the company. Be honest about the challenges and opportunities of the role. Be respectful of the candidate's decision. If they are not interested in the position, thank them for their time and wish them well. By following these tips, you can use cold calling to recruit new employees and build a strong team for your company.